Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can sync reading progress between your XTEINK devices. Here I have an XTEINK X4 and here is my XTEINK X3. And both are running the latest version of CrossInk. That's important, you need to have the latest version of CrossInk. And I have the minimal UI on both devices. I have the same book I'm reading at the moment, and I also have synced the reading progress between them and so on. But now you go into the menu options down there, and now you go down to file transfer and select file transfer, and here you see a new feature called Nearby Stats Sync. Sync CrossInk reading stats with nearby X3, X4. So if I click select on that, now it says ready to sync both readers. Press sync on one reader only. You have sync there. So now we go into the same menu on the X3, and now we go down to file transfer on that too. We select that and we go now to nearby stats sync. We select that. So now both are ready. So now both are ready to be synced, and this, the X4, is the one that I have read the most on lately. So I have some reading stats to sync to my X3. So then I just click sync here. Both readers synced. It says that on both, as you see here. So now I have the reading stats synced on both. So let's go into reading stats. Yes, I don't have so much stats as you see because I have flashed different firmwares and so on. But this is all books, all devices, as you see there. That is a new feature, as you see. So that is how easy it is to sync the reading stats between your both XTEINK devices, or if you have even more than two. So you can do that by doing this. Works great. Okay, bye.